can say she's a supernova shining through the night, a never sleeping satellite. She's a damn good reason for the sun to rise when you see her smile in the morning light. And when she cries a wishing well. Plays hide and seek with the hounds of hell. She throws you down to take you high into her private sky. She's so beautiful, 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 magical, mystical, irresistible, cosmical, a wonderful overkill, and most of all beautiful. Wanna call her name from the highest hill, and she's better than a $5 million bill. She swims with you to Atlantis coast to keep you safe while the world explodes. She's diving down to keep you high inside her velvet sky. She's so beautiful, 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 magical, mystical, irresistible, cosmical, a wonderful overkill, and most of all beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so her fairy tale. She wrote a brand new song for the nightingales. Sometimes I think she's invented, but thank God she's made of flesh and blood. She's everything I've ever missed, the more, but most of all, she is beautiful, 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 wonderful, powerful, magical, mystical, irresistible, overkill, and most of all beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so
may ta ma-settle down na ka and may ta magpakasal na si Gary ni mo, di ba? My babe. Joke! Happy birthday! Love you! Mwah! Zunya! No! Hi sister! Happy birthday! And I wish you more birthdays to come, and for your next birthday I hope you're already married, and I'm happy for you, and your boyfriend is okay.
Baby!
Hi Julia, happy birthday. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. May tama sa down na jug ka. Cute baby sa Albi Baninang. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you.
Ti, I miss you. Ano di ba ito ka mo uli sa balay? Panagsarati. And thank you a lot sa mga gifts, you know na. And thank you for inspiring me to become your god sister like you. Then, kanang ate, kanang kalasaman may pag-umangkon. Excited ako. Approve ko sa imuhang. You know na. Okay, I love ya.
Voila! Excuse me. Hi, Te. Happy birthday. It's your 30th birthday and you're still single. I hope that by next year you're already married and you have kids like twins. Or pwede na sad isa.
Twins!
Twins! Bitaw, you're successful naman kaayo, so it's time na sad na mohimo ka imong family. Kanang you've been good to us and I hope na
ma-happy ka for the rest of your life. I love you. I miss you.
Bye!
Bye. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday!